Introducing BMill's new add-in, Shape Cutter. In Revit, a single element can contain multiple disconnected solids if you sketch multiple profiles within it. With Shape Cutter, you can split these disconnected solids into individual elements. Select a ceiling and run Shape Cutter. And you'll see the original ceiling split into multiple elements. It supports ceilings, floors, and slabs, and can process multiple elements at once. Typically, creating multiple elements required sketching and completing each one individually. With Shape Cutter, you can draw multiple shapes in a single sketch mode, and then split them into separate elements with a single click. Download Shape Cutter from BMill.